To fix cookies are disabled in Chrome on Android. Follow these steps. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your Android device. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. From the menu, tap Settings to open the Chrome Settings page. Next, scroll down to the Advanced section and tap Site Settings. In the Site Settings page, tap Cookies. Here, you will see the option to toggle cookies on or off. Make sure the switch next to cookies is turned on. If it is turned off, tap the switch to enable cookies. If you want to allow third-party cookies, toggle the switch next to third-party cookies. This will enable cookies from other websites that you visit. You can also manage cookies for specific websites by tapping the See All Cookies and Site Data option. To delete existing cookies, tap the Clear Browsing Data option from the Site Settings page. Select the types of data you want to delete, including cookies, and tap Clear Data. This will remove all cookies and other browsing data from your Chrome browser. It is also important to check if any extensions are blocking cookies. To do this, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap Settings, and finally tap Extensions. If you have any extensions installed, toggle them off and on to see if they are blocking cookies. Finally, restart your Chrome browser to ensure the changes take effect. By following these steps, you should be able to fix cookies are disabled in Chrome on Android and enable cookies for a better browsing experience. Remember to always manage your cookies and browsing data to maintain your online privacy and security.